And then right next door to what used to be the extension is the Doors workshop. 8512 Santa Monica Boulevard. This is where the Doors recorded LA Woman. And right through those doors, Jim Morrison recorded his vocals in the bathroom. All the recording was done downstairs while all the business was taken care of upstairs. Quick wipe on the phone here. And we can see clearly again. So, right around on these stairs here, there are pictures of the Doors, and here's one of them. So walking down here, this is where the Doors in 1970 and early 71 would have walked. Would have maybe smoked a joint out here in the alleyway. We will get in here a little bit later when they open up. We will get into the bathroom where Jim Morrison recorded the vocals for LA Woman. And right down here on the ground, open at 12 o'clock. It is only about 9 o'clock in the morning here. So we will come back to Tail O The Pup, to the Doors workshop. Alright, Tail O The Pup is open. Formerly the Doors workshop, where the Doors recorded LA Woman. Stood on those stairs right now, right there. The office was upstairs, recording studio was downstairs. And now oh, there it is right there. Right there is where Jim Morrison recorded his vocals. Let's go inside. Look at this. It doesn't close. That doesn't matter. We are in here in the bathroom. This is where Jim Morrison recorded his vocals for LA Woman. Right here. Just got in the town about an hour ago. Took a look around and which way the wind blows. Alright, y'all. This is the... I know there's a toilet, and it's just a bathroom right now. But back in late 1970, early 1971, this is the bathroom. This is the room where Jim Morrison recorded his vocals for LA Woman. Wow! I know some of you might be like, whoop-de-doo, it's a bathroom, but for you true Doors fans, this is like Mecca. Look at that. Happy 60th to the Doors. 2025. We're going to see Robbie Krieger. We're leaving Tail O The Pup, the Doors workshop, and we are going to do Whiskey A Go-Go to see Robbie Krieger play LA Woman in its entirety. The album that was recorded right here at the Doors workshop. So as we go out, we take a little walk around to where the Doors rehearsed. All of their equipment was set up here.
Drums, amps, guitars, raised keyboard and bass, Jim's microphones, everything was set up right here in this area. Super cool to know that the doors themselves were literally right here in this space. 1970, early 71. This is the spot right here. Billy, get in here. Alright, y'all. This is the spot. And that is the vocal booth. So cool. Alright, y'all. Thank you for watching. Continue to walk with us in the footsteps of the Doors. We're heading up to the whiskey next for Robbie Krieger, April 26, 2025, playing LA Woman in its entirety. Let's get it.